What is up, my peeps? Today we want to talk about an ATM and a little bit of a story how my first ATM turned into a new account. So about a year and a half ago, I started my ATM business. That was during the pandemic. We were in a lockdown, and my first account was in Flagler Beach, which is about an hour away from here. It was actually you might see it because I'm going there right now. It is a breakfast place. They didn't really need an ATM, but it was my first one, so I was happy to oblige on the location. I found it online. How? I posted on Facebook Marketplace, which you cannot do anymore because they don't like services. So I got an ATM right behind me. I'm going there. Anyways, at the time I was smoking, and right next to that breakfast place there was a gas station. And I went to the gas station, and as every eager new entrepreneur, I started giving away my business cards. And a year and a half later, the owner calls me and says, hey, the ATM guys that are servicing me, I'm not happy with them. Come and install your ATM if you want. So long story short, I grabbed my ATM that I had into my living room anyways for the last month or so, and I'm going there this morning. He called me last night. Quick service. Last night I posted on a few ATM forums, ATM Facebook groups, and I found a voter because I'm not gonna go 1 hour to vote it. I'm done with that. Paid the voter $1 and move on with your life, pretty much. The deal that I gave to the owner is from 0 to 99 transactions, 50 cents, from 100 to 300 transactions, or 299, 75 cents, and 300 plus is $1. I'm not sure how it's gonna go. I'm thinking to put 325 to start with. The surcharge and the voter gets $1. So best case scenario, I'm getting $1.75 per transaction, and then we're gonna up it obviously to maybe 395 after. Every month I up it with 10 cents, or every 2 months I up it with 10 cents, just to see how much the volume is. Hopefully it goes well. I will definitely keep you informed of how this ATM goes. But let's go. I just started going towards there, and I forgot my envelopes. And if you're into the real estate, and if you're into the ATM industry, you know what envelopes are. I just have a quick question for you guys. When you are a voter, do you own the TID? Because I've connected with a couple of people and for being my voter, and the account is mine. So the TID should be mine, in my opinion. I vote for other people. I don't own the TID. TID, for those of you who don't know, is a terminal identification number. Whoever owns the TID gets the interchange. So one of those guys told me that, oh, no, I'm gonna register it. But I don't understand why. I'm a bit skeptical, and that's a bit shitty and shady to me. So I might be wrong, but you guys who are in the ATM industry, tell me if that's normal. Because whoever has the TID gets the interchange, and why would you get the interchange if the account is mine? You're just a voter. I vote 3 locations, and I do not own the TID. Okay, guys, I'll show you the location because I'm on my way now. But I hope you guys like it. Subscribe if you want to learn more about finances, financial freedom, and retiring early. I'm gonna have coming up videos about that because very soon I will be retiring. Click subscribe, quick like, and let me show you the location. All right, came on the location. This is the location. Already put the machine in. Now we just gotta get the bolts and go ahead and bolt it down. So you know the drill. I have my precious Makita, and if you're in the industry, you gotta get a rotary hammer drill. I marked the 4 holes before I start drilling. Obviously, sometimes they don't match. I think in this case, I matched only 3 out of the 4, which is okay. Always clean after yourself, guys. I shimmy the ATM, and as usual, happy hammering. You hammer the anchors or the bolts, however you want to call it. I'm using those particular ones. I think I showed them earlier. And then, you know, you tighten them, and that's all she wrote. I suggest always bolt your machine just in case somebody just wants to try something, guys. Alrighty, I installed it. All I need now is get my terminal identification number. So here's the deal. A lot of the time, if you've noticed, I hold my GoPro with my hand, and on top of the GoPro is the mic, and I kind of plug the mic with my hand. Anyways, I'm just saying how I'm going to register the terminal identification number. That was it pretty much for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. I am releasing this video about 2 months after I made the video. The account is now doing amazing. It's making about 50 transactions per month, which, as you know, it's not amazing. All right, thank you very much for watching, guys. Hit sub and like, and soon I'm gonna have videos about my retirement. Keep hustling. Don't forget, the goal is to be rich, not to look rich. See you next time.